stop scrolling, because your school bag might be making your school life harder. Every morning it's the same story. You're late, you can't find what you need, your bag is way too heavy, and somehow you still forgot something important. But what if I told you that carrying the right things, not more things, can make you look more organized, feel more confident, and save you from those embarrassing "I forgot it" moments? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to pack, what to leave at home, and how to build the perfect school bag that makes your life so much easier. Let's pack the ultimate school bag. I know those Pinterest aesthetic tote bags look super cute, but they're not the most practical for school because girls, let's be honest for a second, if your school day is long or your classes are heavy, that cute tote bag is going to put a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Instead, go for a medium-sized backpack. It's much more comfortable to carry, distributes the weight evenly, and makes a huge difference by the end of the day. Look for a backpack with one large main compartment for your books and notebooks, a second compartment for things like folders or your lunch, and a front pocket for smaller essentials you need to grab quickly. Inner zip pockets are perfect for keeping valuables like your keys, money, or earbuds safe. And don't forget the side pockets. They're the easiest place to keep your water bottle so you can grab it without opening your entire bag. And please, don't spend 3 hours having an identity crisis over your bag color. Just pick a neutral or dark color. It'll hide dirt better, match almost every outfit, and still look good months later. Now comes the fun part. Turn your backpack into your backpack. Add cute keychains, charms, pins, badges, fluffy pom-poms, ribbons, whatever matches your vibe. It's like giving your bag its own personality. Trust me, even the most basic backpack can go from May to "Where did you get that?" with just a few cute accessories, so don't stress about finding the perfect bag. Buy a practical one first, then make it cute. Now that your backpack is ready, let's talk about what actually deserves a spot inside it. Because here's the thing. Packing smarter is way better than packing more. First, your school essentials. Please don't carry every notebook you own every single day. That's exactly why your bag feels like you're carrying bricks. Instead, check your class schedule the night before and only pack the notebooks and textbooks you'll actually need. Your shoulders will seriously thank you. Next, keep a simple folder for worksheets, homework, and loose papers. Otherwise, they'll end up crushed at the bottom of your bag, and you'll spend 5 minutes trying to flatten them before class. For your pencil case, keep it simple. Pack 2 or 3 pens, 1 extra pen just in case, a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, a ruler, and a highlighter for important notes. If your school requires art supplies, then add a small pack of colored pencils and a pair of scissors, but only if you actually need them. Remember, the goal isn't to carry everything. The goal is to carry the right things. Now, let's build your emergency kit because trust me, this tiny pouch can save your entire school day. We've all had those "oh no" moments. A pen stops working during a test, you get a headache, your hair suddenly has a mind of its own, or your period shows up completely uninvited. That's exactly why every girl needs a mini emergency kit. It's small, it barely takes up any space. But when you need it, you'll be so glad it's there. So, what should you keep inside? Let me show you the essentials that can literally save the day. Pads, hair ties, and bobby pins. Band-aids, tissues, hand sanitizer, lip balm mini deodorant, breath mints, and wet wipes. And that's it. Pack smart, stay prepared, and have an amazing school day. Next up, food. And trust me, people seriously underestimate this one. Even if your school has a cafeteria or you bring lunch, always pack a snack because you never know. Maybe lunch gets delayed, you stay back for an extra class, or you suddenly get so hungry you can't focus on anything your teacher is saying. Pack something simple like a granola bar, nuts, crackers, fruit, or any snack you actually enjoy eating. And don't forget a reusable water bottle with a leak-proof lid. Trust me, your notebooks will thank you. Staying hydrated helps you stay focused and keeps your energy up throughout the day. A hungry girl can't concentrate, so don't skip the snacks. Finally, let's talk about the little extras that most people forget. But they're the things you'll be so grateful to have. Keep a small power bank if your school allows it, a charging cable, some cash for emergencies, your student ID, and an umbrella if it's the rainy season. If you wear glasses, carry a microfiber cloth to keep them clean. These aren't things you'll use every single day, but the one day you need them, you'll be so glad you packed them. It's always better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them. And here's one thing that doesn't get enough attention: a mini notebook or planner. It might sound boring until you forget your homework for the third time. Use it to write down homework, to-do lists, reminders, or even random ideas that pop into your head during class. Trust me, your brain isn't meant to remember everything. It's a tiny thing that makes a huge difference. Future, you will be so thankful you wrote it down instead of saying, "I'll remember." Because let's be honest, you probably won't. Another simple hack: color code or label your notebooks and folders. It'll save you from digging through your bag every time you're looking for something. And here's a random but really cute idea. Leave a tiny note for your future self inside one of your backpack pockets. It could be something funny, a little reminder, or a few kind words. Maybe write something like, "You've got this," "Good luck on your test," or "Don't forget to smile today." It only takes a few seconds to write, but on a stressful school day, finding that little note can instantly make you smile. And finally, here are a few hacks you'll thank me for later. Once a week, maybe every Friday or Sunday, do a quick bag refresh, throw away old papers, empty snack wrappers, and anything you don't need anymore. Restock your emergency kit, refill your pencil case, and make sure your water bottle is clean. Trust me, your future self will thank you. It only takes 5 minutes, but it keeps your bag clean, organized, and ready for the entire week. Trust me, Monday mornings become so much less stressful. It's such a small thing, but future, you will definitely appreciate it. Your backpack is officially ready. So before you head back to school, take 10 minutes to organize your backpack. Trust me, your future self will thank you. A well-packed bag means less stress, less mess, and a much smoother school day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one!